In today's video, we will see how to add payment methods to a website. First of all, we need to go to our website backend. Here is my website. It's a WordPress website which name is Shopping Extra. We will add payment methods so that we don't have to worry about purchase. This is also necessary for paid website. To add payment method, we need to click on Ecommerce. Okay, then click Set up my store. Then press continue. It will ask for information like this, so we will now give our information. Which type of products or service do you plan to sell? Okay, clothing and accessories. Provide the information according to your website type, then click on continue. We need to off this option, then continue. Then click on continue to wordpress.com. Click on setup payments. A page like this will show up in front of you. You can add any payment method which you want. I will making offline payments, so I will click tag offline payments. Then click cash on delivery. Click on enable. Now everything is alright. Our payment method add is complete. That's all for today's video. Until then, everyone be well and don't forget to subscribe.